Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glady Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to fix suspended TikTok account. If your TikTok account has been suspended, this is what you have to do. But before then, please take note of this. TikTok accounts can be suspended if you disobey the community guidelines or if you type in wrong age. A suspended account cannot be accessed sometimes. That is why you can use your friend account to report a problem. If you notice that your TikTok account has been suspended and you cannot have access to your TikTok account, what you have to do is to type in your password on on your friend's account, or you use your friend's account, go to the report section like here. Like report a problem here. In this report a problem on your friend's phone, you can type in your problem, type in your password, type in your username so that TikTok will work on it. But if you can still access your TikTok, this is what you have to do. You go tap on your profile. Let me go back. Tap on your profile, tap on the three dots at the right corner of the screen, tap on settings and privacy. Then first of all, you have to go and check if you are obeying the community rules. If you're obeying the community rules by going to the terms and policy, community guidelines. You can take your time to go through it, read it to make sure that you're not disobeying any of it, because when you disobey the community guidelines, that is when TikTok can easily block you or suspend your account. But if you're sure that you're not disobeying it, this is what you have to do now. Go and check your inbox. Look at my inbox. In your inbox, if you are being suspended and a message will come here, will be in this place, it's going to pop out here to show that you are being suspended. That way you can easily tap on it. When you tap on it, you'll see a space for appeal. When you tap on appeal, TikTok will work on it to find how to resolve the problem. So guys, that is it on how to fix TikTok account that has been suspended. If your TikTok account has been suspended, this is what you have to do to make sure that you get your TikTok account back. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your questions on the comment section. Thanks for watching.